This place is completely destroyed.
Yeah, it's worse than I expected.
All right, let's make a plan first.
Yeah, we should start by clearing that side.
Good idea. Then we move section by section.
There's so much dust here. It's everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, but look, it's finally starting to clear.
I can actually see the floor now.
This is the hardest part. The dirt is really stuck.
Keep going. It's starting to come off now.
Yeah, I can see the difference already.
These cracks need to be fixed properly, or it won't last.
I'll secure the window frame. It has to be stable.
Good. We're making real progress now.
This is where everything starts to change.
Wow.
The fresh paint really makes a difference.
Yes.
It already feels like a brand new space. Now we start bringing everything together.
Yeah, I'll switch it up.
Yeah, this is where it finally feels like a real room. Every detail makes a difference.
From nothing to something truly amazing.
I can't believe this is the same place.
All that hard work was worth it.